Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to check your PC's error history using a built-in Windows tool so you can find out what went wrong and troubleshoot issues more effectively. First, open Event Viewer by pressing Windows and R on your keyboard. Then type and press Enter. This tool contains detailed records of system activities, warning and errors. On the left side, you will see Windows logs. Select it and click on the arrow to expand its view. The two most useful sections for this troubleshooting are application and system. Now select application. Look for entries with a red error icon. Notice the red error icons. This indicates something went wrong. You can click on any entry to see more information. The application log records problems related to programs. If an application crashes, you will often find an error entry here. When you select an error, Windows displays detail at the bottom. Pay attention to the date and time, the source of the error, and the event ID. The event ID helps identify the type of problem, while the source tells us which application or Windows component generated the error. Next, click on System. This section contains hardware, driver, startup, shutdown, and operating system related events. If your PC restarted unexpectedly, froze, or had hardware issues, you will often find clues here. To make troubleshooting easier, click Filter Current Logs from the right panel and select Critical and Error and OK. This hides less important entries and so only serious problems. If your program crashes, you will often see an application error entry. When you find an error, read the General tab carefully. It often explains what happened. This information makes troubleshooting much easier than simply guessing. You can also copy the error details and search online or paste them into ChatGPT for a better explanation and possible solution. That's how you can check your PC's error history in Windows 11 whenever your computer crashes, freezes, restarts, or behaves unexpectedly. Checking these logs can help you find valuable clues about the cause. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Windows troubleshooting guides.